Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to double your FPS without the use of frame generation or lossless scaling. Without further ado, let's get started. Now you can see this is the performance I'm getting without using that feature. I'm gonna show you what feature it is. Now you can see the performance on the top left corner. I'm getting around 70 plus 75 to 80 FPS without turning on that feature. Now this feature will only work on RTX 40 series as well as 50 series GPU. It will not work on 30 series GPU. I'll show you the settings first. See, I'm running it on 4050 laptop, and you can also see the VRAM consumption. It is around 6064. I mean, it has exceeded my VRAM consumption. You can see DLSS is on quality. Now this is before, and boom, this is after. You can see the FPS boost right on the left corner. I was getting around 70 FPS. Now I am at 90, even 100 FPS. See, this problem is occurring due to I normally get 100 plus. This problem is occurring because I'm recording. Without recording, it goes around 130, 120. So I'll show you the settings. It's on the exact same settings.
Now for this feature to work, you have to install 590.26 driver and you must be a developer. So in order to ensure that, you have to visit this website. Once you visit that, you will reach this place and you will see this interface. Here type your email. I'm not going to show because I've already done the process. It will be a simple process in order to ensure that you are a developer. Once you have done this, you will be able to access that driver, since that only this driver supports this feature 590.26. Once you have downloaded this, click on this and you have to install it. I'm not gonna do it because I've already done it. It's a normal process. How you normally do from NVIDIA app, it's exactly the same. Once you have done that, I'm gonna show you. Now here you can see that I am on that version. If you wanna roll back, if any problem occurs, you can simply scroll down and download this previous version. You can just click here, download it. And once you have done that, now head on to any of the games. Let's say head on to Last of Us, and the name of the feature is smooth motion. You can see I have turned it on. It will normally be on off. You have to turn this on. Now this feature doesn't need any of your VRAM and it runs really smooth. I have already shown you that. This only works on 50 series and 40 series. 30 series won't support this. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Now let's say the smooth motion is not available on your NVIDIA app. You have to head on to NVIDIA Inspector. Here you have to select the game and you have to scroll down a bit. Here you can see the smooth motion. Just click here and turn that on and just apply the changes. Boom, that's it.